Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. Today I have another hooded eyeshadow look for you. It is caramel using 3 colors. One of those is an eyeliner. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, then just keep watching. So I've already primed my eyes, so I've used the MAC Painterly, which is a beautiful nude. Now don't use too much of this, just go little by little and blend it out really well. And then I've gone in with Dose of Colours Matte Cream Eyeliner in Take a Hike, which is a beautiful caramel. So first up I'm using an angled brush, a fairly stiff angled brush, to establish that shape. Now I do have hooded eyes, so what I'm trying to do is go right from the inner corner up in a dome shape above my natural crease line and then out. So I find with hooded eyes it's a good idea to try and make the most of the hooded area, because obviously we don't have much lid space, so I'm trying to utilize as much of this hood area as I can. So I'll go in and create that shape. So I'm going to be following my natural crease line to about there and then going up above my crease line where my eyes, if you pop your eyes, put your head down and lift your eyes up, you can see where your hood meets the top of your lash line. So if you do go in any lower than that, chances are that it's going to transfer up after 15 minutes sometimes. So check where that position is and just go in and put a tiny little mark there, and then just initially start in the corner and follow your natural crease line, and then heading up towards that little spot that we put in there. Now this doesn't have to be too neat, it's going to be blended out, and as you go just make sure they are even. And start coming back down. Now I want to create this kind of a little wing shape. Now it will be blown out later, so it's not going to be so sharp, so don't stress about being too neat, but you obviously don't want that line to be going down too much. So relax your eyes. I really relax your eyes. I mean, even if you lift your eyebrows a little bit, you're going to get a bit of a distorted shape. It's like doing a winged eyeliner, which is almost impossible when you've got really very heavily hooded eyes like I have. So I want to just basically stamp that and then go in and put the colour in and connect. And like I said, it doesn't need to be too neat, but just make sure where you're finishing at the top here is the same on both sides. Now typically when you go in and do this and you do one eye, it's like the winged eyeliner that you get one higher than the other and you've got to go back and forth and make sure they're right. This one needs to come out just a little bit more there and down. I think they're pretty much even. Like I said, it doesn't have to be very neat because we are going to be blending that out. And then I'd go in with a concealer brush and pop some product on and then just fill in that lid. So next step I'll go in with Anastasia's Orange Soda on a larger blending brush. Now I don't want to blend this up really high, I just want to basically go in and put that colour on the edge there. So every colour that I'm putting down, basically I'm tracing out that line and putting colour in around it basically. I'm not trying to blend that line just yet, I'm just putting in a transition colour. So now I'm going into the crease area and trying to blend out this colour. So I'm going to use ColourPop's Paper Tiger. So it's a caramel mustard colour on a small blending brush, and just popping that colour over the very edge of that eyeliner. Now it's not going to happen in a second, so just be patient and just keep blending until you're actually satisfied that that line is nice and smooth. No jagged edges there. So if you keep your brush more at a horizontal position, you're not going to be blending that colour too far up. We really want to keep it in the spot that I've got it. So now I'm just going into Paper Tiger on a shadow brush and just placing that colour all over the lid in the same shape as we did before. So I'll go in now on the lower lash line with the eyeliner and place some colour along there, close to the lashes. And on the waterline. So I'll go into Paper Tiger again with a small smudge brush just on the very tip. Set that eyeliner. I'll take a smaller blending brush. This is Zoeva 223 Petite Eye Blender. A tiny little bit more product and then just go in and blend that out. So I just finished up the rest of my makeup, popped some mascara and some lashes on as well. Now if you liked this technique that I used today, if you liked the colours, don't forget to let me know. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Click on the notifications bell as well. Keep being the best version of you and I will see you in my next video. Bye!